I have shampooed my hair after braiding and banding. Yeah, I haven't given up braiding and banding after almost 3.5 years. I still have braiding and banding as a part of my routine. Feel more comfortable when I braid and band my hair before shampooing. And tonight I think I'm going to put my hair into some 2-strand twists and wear it all day tomorrow. That's my plan. And I am going to 2-strand twist using an old product that you probably heard of a long time ago. It's called Lotta Body. But this is the Lotta Body Foaming Mousse that I'm going to use as a setting or styling agent. So I'm gonna pump it into my hand, and I am not holding back on it either. Yeah, I think I want to do the 2-strand twist because that'll be faster than me braiding my hair. I'll be doing the rest of my twist for the back off camera, and I'll come back and let you see what I've done to braid the front, even with the changes to take my twist over to the other side. Took me less than 19 minutes. I'll see you in a little bit. It also took me 19 minutes to do the back of my hair. I'm going to let you see what it looks like. I have not seen it. I'm going to put some mousse on the top of my hair. This is to try to decrease the amount of frizz that pops up there. And to spray it with some water because I don't want a lot of white up there, but I don't think it will because the foam has just been dissipating on its own. So yeah, try my hand. And my next step is to tie down the top of my head. And again, I'm working on the frizz. Have a good night. Good morning. Good morning. Last night I braided, banded, shampooed my hair, and then I proceeded to strand twist my hair using the Lotta Body Foaming Mousse. Something that I didn't think about when using the foaming mousse was the name of it. The name of it is Lotta Body. Lotta Body. Yes, it is. But before I go into that, let me just thank you. Thank you for tuning in and getting to this point in the video. Thank you, subscribers, for your support. You know that I love you and I love our interaction. But I just want to say to those people that have not subscribed yet, who've made it to this point in the video of curiosity, because you like it, just go ahead and join the family. There's always an open invitation for you to join the Gene G family. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know every time I upload a video, so that you can join in and interact with me. Now, I mentioned the name of the product that I use, Lotta Body. I have never had a problem with having body in my hair. And you will notice that that's not a problem today either. My hair is still a little bit damp. It's not completely dried. But look at the fullness of these 2-strand twists. Just look at it. That's what I'm talking about. The fullness of the 2-strand twists. Yes. So I tied my top down so that I would have less frizz. And it looks like it worked. I like this style. I was thinking about wearing it today and then taking it out tomorrow, but I think that I'm going to wear it through tomorrow. But I'll see what it looks like after it completely dries. But right now, I am so pleased. I have done 2-strand twists in my hair before, and I've liked it. But this time I think I like it even more. And it does what I wanted to do. It understood the assignment. That's something new that I've heard others say. You understood the assignment. And even though I did it myself, my hair, my Sisterlocks has been working with me, and I really appreciate it. I have to go into the salon today. I've had a couple of days off, and I see it as God providing me a chance to revitalize, to be revived, and to spend more time in His Word to prepare for what I need to do on Sunday morning. And I'm just grateful for the relaxation and the rest time that I was given. But I'm going in today. I have to do a retightening, and I might show you a little bit of the results of that. And then I have a friend of mine that's going to pick me up, and I don't know what we're doing today, but I know it's going to be fun, because it's always fun, and I will share that with you as well. But for now, let me do my 360. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God. God's been so good to me. He's bigger than me. He's bigger than any problem that I've ever faced. And I just want to tell Him thank you. I thank God for bringing situations even in my life that has allowed me or made me grow and become strengthened. When I was going through these things, I would say, God, just do what you do. Be you. And I trust you. I trust God. Pray for me. I'll pray for you. And we'll watch God change things. Have a great day. You guys, I don't know why I'm here. I don't know what's going on. My girlfriend brought me here, said she was told to escort me, and I don't even know why. But everything looks nice, and I'll sure tell y'all when I find out.
It's freshman year. It amazes you to know when you leave middle school and you go to high school, how life changes so quickly, and you know your classmates, but you don't know any of the teachers. You know, I walked in this class and I had this long 24-inch synthetic wig, and this lady looked at me and went, "Why do you have that in your hair?" And I went, "This the style. I got a wig on." Your natural hair is your crown. So, you know, I let it play on. Later on in the semester, of course, you being a freshman, you get bullied and depression and all these different things. Ms. Goodwin said, "I have a group called Girls Levitating." I said, "Okay, Ms. Goodwin, I don't know how we're gonna be in no group with no girls, but I'll come and check it out." Came to one meeting, and Ms. Goodwin took me in as if I was her own child. Ms. Watson is a witness to just everything that we went through, from the good, the bad, the ugly, the fights, the laughter. You were there. You were there. And even though life took a turn for the both of us, we both are still standing strong. So my gift to you isn't here. You're getting a spa day at a Salon Columbia for you. Now, if you want to take his watch, and you can take his watch. But this is your day. And the reason why I wanted you to have a spa day is because I want you to take time to relax. This woman has her prayer closet. She has her YouTube channel. She has all these things, different things for other people to see and for herself. But I want you to have something to know that I appreciated you for the 4 years that I was at Calhoun County High School, and that you were always a door right down the hall that I could run to, that I could get to, and that I needed. And I thank you.
For allowing me to pour into your life. And once we separated, you never forgot about me, and I never forgot about you. You remembered email, messenger, and we kept up with each other. And I just want to thank you that you recognize those people that poured into you to help you to get to where you are right now. That's a strong woman who, when you look back, you're not looking back to turn around. You're looking back to see who pushed you where you are today. And you are not only just looking at those that have pushed you, but you are pushing others. And I want to tell you that, Keosha, I'm so glad that God placed you in my heart. The love that I have for you has grown more and more over the years. I want to say thank you for being the young woman that you are. Thank you so much. Thank you.